10 Survival Foods List for Power Outages for Every Household. Power outages can disrupt daily life, making it essential to have a stockpile of survival foods. These foods should be nutritious, non-perishable, and easy to prepare. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a concise list of 10 survival foods to consider for your emergency supplies. 1. Canned vegetables and fruits. Canned goods are long-lasting and retain nutrients. Look for options with no added sugars or excess sodium. 2. Rice and grains. Staples like rice, quinoa, and oats provide complex carbohydrates and can be used in various meals. 3. Dried beans and lentils. Rich in protein and fiber, dried beans and lentils are versatile and easy to prepare. 4. Nut butters. Nut butters are packed with healthy fats and protein, making them a great energy source. 5. Canned fish and meat. Canned tuna, salmon, and meats add protein to your diet and have a long shelf life. 6. Dehydrated meals. Lightweight and easy to prepare, dehydrated meals only require water to make a complete dish. 7. Whole grain crackers. These are a healthy source of fiber and can be enjoyed with nut butters or canned meats. 8. Powdered milk or non-dairy alternatives. Powdered milk provides essential calcium and protein, while non-dairy options are great for lactose-intolerant individuals. 9. Honey and sugar. Both have a long shelf life and can enhance the flavor of your meals. 10. Emergency water supply. Always have enough clean water on hand. Aim for at least 1 gallon per person per day. By stocking these essential survival foods, you can better prepare for unexpected power outages and ensure your family stays nourished. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.